Tesla posted a video on X showing the Optimus robot walking up and down various mulch-covered hills. Tesla is currently deploying some robots in its production, and Musk said that the robots may be sold to outside clients as early as next year. He has been estimating a price of $25,000 to $30,000 per robot. Tesla frequently posts progress reports on the humanoid robot, which demonstrate how much it has already advanced since its debut, even if it is still in development and does not yet show particularly human-like reactions or movements. However, some people have been having questions, especially after Tesla wasn't really honest about the fact that its robots were remotely operated during its recent Wii robot